Our brains are unique and worth taking care of. Brain health is a key factor for the well-being at work. The Finnish Sustainable Brain Health Project focuses on cognitive, affective and information ergonomic, self-management and ethical issues. Project partners are Tampere University's Community, Oulu University of Applied Sciences, Pirkanmaa Hospital District and Behavioral Neurology Research Unit at Tampere University Hospital. Multidisciplinary project consortium is enriched by expertise in neurosciences and employees' well-being at work.
Hi, I am Kaisa Hartikainen. I'm a neurologist and a brain researcher and head of a Behavioral Neurology Research Unit at Tampere University Hospital. Over the past 3 decades, I have conducted brain research and gathered wide experience on different neuroscientific methods and levels, from nerve cells to the functioning of the brain and mind. Over the past 2 decades, I have especially focused on higher brain functions, including cognitive control functions that are also called executive functions. These functions are needed for controlling our emotions, behavior, and other cognitive processes. We have studied both healthy subjects as well as patients with brain disorder or brain damage, as well as the impact of different neuromodulation methods on these higher cognitive functions, as well as brain's affective functions. I have come to understand over the years that brain health is tightly linked to efficiency of higher cognitive control functions and emotion regulation. In other words, when brain health is optimal, our executive functions and emotion regulation are also optimal. And on the other hand, if brain health is somehow compromised, for example due to prolonged stress, typically this is also seen in impaired executive functions and emotion dysregulation. Modern information society and digitalization put huge demands on higher brain functions. On top of that, the COVID pandemic puts a whole new set of stressors in place at the workplace, and this has a risk of increased stress and exhaustion and burnout, with the huge personal suffering as well as a huge impact on the cost and economics of the society. So the Sustainable Brain Health Project meets this huge challenge, exploring brain health and well-being at work. The main objectives of the project relate to assessing and improving brain ergonomics, including affective and cognitive and information ergonomics, and furthermore to identify novel stressors related to COVID pandemic and also better ways to deal with them. In this project we implement up-to-date neuroscientific knowledge and assess novel methods such as neuromodulation in aiming to counteract detrimental effects of prolonged stress on cognition. We aim to discover new tools that support brain health at work. The fields with distinct professional demands such as nursing, teaching and information technology were chosen as a focus group to this project to illuminate different types of workloads in the society in general. Overall, we aim to increase skills and knowledge related to sustainable brain health, both in employers and employees, as well as at the level of whole society. And furthermore, we try to improve self-management skills that support stress resilience and well-being in general. In addition to focusing on brain health and well-being, the project contributes to productivity and efficiency at work. The national and international societal impact relates to increasing awareness of brain as non-renewable resource that needs to be treated with respect and responsibility. Sustainable brain health requires a work-life evolution that builds on information provided and disseminated by this project.